Welcome back. Today I am teaching lithium ion battery about the lithium ion battery. Rechargeable lithium ion batteries. In this topic we are discussing about lithium ion battery in the topic of physical chemistry and wait 1 minute. Let us start. Lithium ion batteries were first proposed in the 1970s, but the technical technology to the successful create them wasn't invented until the mid of 1980s. The first commercial lithium-ion batteries were launched by Sony company in late 1991. Okay. The lithium-ion battery was so good in everything, and the Sony company was first discovered in 1991. Lithium ion is a type of rechargeable battery are used commonly for portable electronics and electrical vehicles and are growing in popularity for military and aerospace applications. A prototype lithium-ion battery was developed by Erica Meonia in 1985, were based on earlier research by John Goodenough. Okay. In batteries, lithium-ion batteries moves from negative electrodes through an electrolyte to the positive electrode. Okay. Lithium is a lightest of metal, high capacity of storage of energy 370 to 300 watt per hour centimeter cube, high electrochemical reduction potential, high reactivity metal of is a lithium and spread thermal range minus 25 Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. 2. And lithium compound as a material at a positive electrode and typically graphite at a negative electrode. The battery has a high energy density and no memory effect other than LPF cells. LPF cells were discovered before the lithium ion battery because this is not rechargeable, but lithium ion batteries are rechargeable batteries, and the battery has a density, high density energy density. They have a safe hazardous since they are contain flammable electrolytes, and if damaged or incorrectly charged can lead to explosions and fires. Samsung was forced recall the Galaxy Note 7 handset following the lithium-ion fires. In sometimes Samsung Galaxy Note 7 use lithium-ion batteries in our handset phones, and the handset phones is carrying catching fire uh, if we have more charged more charged in the phones or continuous use on charging. That's why the Samsung Galaxy company was recall all the handsets from customers. Chemistry performance, cost of safety and vary across lithium-ion batteries. Handset electronics mostly use lithium polymer batteries like electrodes, lithium cobalt oxide, and cathode materials, and graphite anodes together to have a higher energy density. Like a primary batteries, the electrochemical reaction is not reversible, and lithium batteries are metals used elements used as an anode as CFX or MnO2 as a cathode, and it gives 1.5 to 3 volt, up to 3 volt. Okay? And secondary batteries, the electrochemical reaction is reversible. That's why he or she was rechargeable batteries are formed by the lithium ion. Such cells are discharged and recharged many times, not once, many times, and it provides up to 4 volts. And some disadvantages and advantages of lithium ion battery we are discussing in that point. First of all, power. Advantage of lithium ion battery. First of all, we discussed our power. High energy density means greater power in a small package. Look like a small battery, but it gives more power than normal battery or pencil cells. High voltage. A strong current allowed through a power complex or mechanical device. Third, environmental preference. The low chance to burn. A long cycle lasting life. Only 5% discharge loss per month. Mostly he gives a long cycle cell and a long lasting and easily to recharge the batteries, lithium ion batteries. Some others disadvantage of the lithium ion battery, just like expensive, 40% more than NiCd cadmium cells, and delicate battery temperature must monitor from within, which rise the price and sells particularly well. Hazardous material used in the lithium ion battery and LiCO2 is exhaustive, means a high temperature it goes, then after it catching fire, and it hazardous for us. Uh, in the this topic we discover and derive and discuss about the solid electrode light interface, means SIE, the layer formed by the instance upon a contact of electrode with the solution consists of insoluble and partial soluble reduction products of electrolytes components. Like when we are charging and discharging of cells, some small electrode material can form in the cell. That's why after some time the cell was exhausted, expanding our shape or our length after a long time. This is known as solid electrolyte interface. And in this diagram, we already watching the first layer is additive, second layer is binder, third is active material, and though two different conductors, current collectors and current collectors AI and current collector Cu, means copper and aluminum. Though different elements are used in this lithium ion battery, and the green white particles like in in cell is called electrode material, and this is known as SAEI. This is separated by some separator. This is represented by yellow particle. And some electrolytes are used: first liquid electrolyte, second molten lithium salt, third amorphous polymer electrolyte, fourth crystalline polymers, which are used in lithium ion batteries. And the price are also higher because it's long life of and rechargeable batteries, and these are developed in 1991 by Sony company, and it is rechargeable easily. Some different other reactions happen inside the lithium ion battery we are discussing in another video. Thanks for watching.